How does MongoDB Search work? Let's roll the tape. Think of your database like a store. Traditional search indexes are like guards posted at specific checkpoints. They only watch the spots you assign them: the front door, the jewelry case, and maybe aisle 9, because weird stuff always happens in aisle 9. You have to choose those checkpoints up front, just like defining which exact fields to index. If something happens outside those zones, it goes unseen. And adding more guards or fields to index, that means higher costs, more coordination, and increased friction. If you suddenly need visibility somewhere new, you'll have to hire even more guards and reconfigure where you position everyone around the store. Not efficient. Now, compare that to a full security camera system with a clean overhead view of the entire store. Managing indexes with MongoDB Search is that system. A comprehensive, always-on set of eyes. The camera records everything happening across the whole store, continuously and unobtrusively. MongoDB Search has the ability to manage indexes, capturing data changes asynchronously without slowing down your operational workload. It doesn't interrupt customers or get in anyone's way. It just runs and builds a full record you can review shortly after it's captured. That's like MongoDB maintaining its own index in the background. It helps you rewind, scrub the footage, and find exactly what you need, even if you don't know what you'd eventually need to search for. So you can keep guessing where the action might be, or you can just watch the tape. MongoDB Search brings visibility to your database. It's always on and always searchable.